Today we're going to talk about how to create a query. When you create a query, you first need to start with a question. So let's say that what I wanted to do was show all the titles and authors as well as a little bit of other information from the database. So what I would do is go up to Create and go to Query Design, and this comes up and we have this thing called Show Table. And I want the authors table. As I said, I wanted to show all the titles and authors. So we have authors. I know that, and I want the titles table. And I also want the title author table because those hook the two together, as we know from our talks earlier. And what I'm going to do is just rearrange these a little bit so that they're a little bit more straightforward, I guess. Or maybe I'm just obsessive compulsive about arranging these things. Anyway, what I want is the title. So I go up and I'll do that again. We have the title, and perhaps I want the price. So all I do is click on that and drag it down. I'm not going to get anything here from the title author table. That just hooks the two. The title author, as we recall, has a one-to-many relationship with titles and also a one-to-many relationship with authors, and allows us to have a title with more than one author and an author with more than one title. And so I want author names here. So, well, let's choose the author order from the title author table. I told you I was going to do that, but I did anyway. And then I want the last name and then first name from the, and so all I do is highlight, click on it and drag it down into this bottom thing here, which shows me what I'm going to put in there. I can sort. You see that we have a field and table, so this just shows me where the stuff's coming from. And where the information is coming from. You say I have a sort thing here, which we can sort the table, and I can sort the authors in ascending order. And so then we can take a look to see what this looks like. So I click on Datasheet View. I click on the very top here, right click, and then I go to Datasheet View. And so this shows me all of the authors. As you can see here, it shows me all the titles and the authors and the author order. And when I have two authors, what we did was we sorted by author order, and so we get 2s and 3s down here at the bottom. That's probably not real helpful. What we want to do is sort by title first, and so we click on the sort here and click ascending. For that we would so now we're going to sort with titles first and then author order, I think. So we'll see here, and click on Datasheet View. So this allows you to create the query in the order that you like. And so you can see now here that we have the first one's just got one author, second title's got one author, third one's got two authors, and they're sorted in order of author order. So there's a query. You can save it, of course, and we would call this QRY titles, and click OK. And you notice on the right hand or left hand side over here, it created a new category called queries and put query titles in there. And so if I close this and I double click on query titles, it brings up that query, reruns it every time. So it reruns it new, and that's enough about making just a simple query.